Well, we call this Stein's at Home box our Hake box. We start with smoked mackerel pate, which is so lovely. The main course is grilled hake with sauce piperade. To finish, it's got to be sticky toffee pudding. And we're going to start with the most simple of first courses, but I just really like it. It's my own little recipe. It's just smoked mackerel, cream cheese and lemon juice. My dressings are very simple. They're either olive oil or sunflower oil. The saying is, be profligate with the oil and mean with the vinegar. That is the rule of a good dressing. Spread a generous amount of pate, maybe a couple of slices each. So there we go. Smoked mackerel pate is just so Moorish. Hake piperade. First thing, some small potatoes with mint and butter, and I'm gonna put them in the microwave. Before heating up the sauce, I'm gonna grill the hake. Lovely fish, hake, it's full of flavour, member of the cod family. Season both sides with salt and pepper. 6 minutes, 7 minutes, something like that. Now then, for the various sauces. First of all, I'm gonna put piperade sauce into here, which is the roasted red peppers, the pimenton, onion, garlic, all that sort of thing. Oh, it's smelling fab. I can just leave that to warm through now. Now then, the other thing is this dish is served with what I call a thinned mayonnaise, which is mayonnaise that's just thinned with a little bit of water, but also it's warmed as well. And here I've got some serrano ham, which we've dried out for you and chopped. So you can see with this box, it's a little bit to do, but it's not hard, is it? Maybe you think it is. Right, I think that hake's probably about ready now, so I'm just putting my serrano ham, my chopped serrano ham in to warm through. Now we're just about ready to start making everything up. And just put lots of the piperade on the top, smelling just gorgeous. Now the fish. I do like hake that's cooked under the grill, and it has that lovely crispness. Now just reach round and get my serrano ham that's in the oven. I do think that the Spanish have a really good way with fish. I mean, I suppose you could almost call this serve and turf, and just pour the mayonnaise around the edge. And that just richens everything and just gives it a nice sort of creamy finish. There we go. And take that over to the dinner table. So to finish, sticky toffee pudding. You can either heat it up in the microwave for about 2 minutes or in the oven for about 10 to 12 minutes. Not much instruction for this particular course, sticky toffee pudding. That is smelling so good. I put sticky toffee pudding in quite a lot of our boxes because it's one of those things when you're in a restaurant, you sort of think, I wonder if anybody will notice I have sticky toffee pudding again. Great big dollop of Cornish crotted cream, I think. What could be nicer than that? Gosh, it's such a great pud. So that's my Stein's at Home hake box, starting of course with smoked mackerel pate, which is just so simple and so lovely. Hake with sauce piperade, lovely Mediterranean flavours, all that red pepper and pimenton and garlic, and finishing with the perennial wonderful sticky toffee pudding.